So I'm standing here with Margie of Margie's Farm and Garden. And Margie, you know, this is Easter weekend.
Yes.
So a lot of people actually really still love to buy flowers or plants for Easter as gifts, right?
Of course, of course.
So tell me about these beauties right here. What are they?
Oh, right now we have our dahlias just coming into full bloom. These are our galleon dahlias, a little bit of a larger dahlia, beautiful colors. They just come in all different shades, variegated, solid colors, beautiful.
And what I do love about dahlias is their variety within that family, because these really are a rich variety of so many different colors.
Oh,
this isn't even all of them.
No, we have even more. It's just beautiful. They're amazing, and they'll bloom for you all summer long through the fall.
Right. And then this is stunning, but this is just one type of plant that blooms that you guys have at this time of year. You have a huge selection of stunningly beautiful blooming plants.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Yes, we have a large selection: geraniums, petunias, million bells, all kinds of things you want blooming.
And then what I love about what you're doing here for this Easter weekend is, of course, we're going to talk about plants and how fun they are, but you have some wonderful ideas. I'm going to just call them Easter baskets, because that's what they remind me of, even the little animal things here. And you've done some beautiful planting, so let's go over some of them.
Oh yes, we have these amazing cute little colored animals, zebras, pelicans, cats, dogs, all sorts of things. Some of them we have planted, some like this owl we've left empty, so you can do your own creativity and plant it yourself. Some of them aren't planters, but just a great color addition. It's such a fun gift to bring someone. You're going to their house for dinner on Easter.
Right, right. Just a nice gift. But I have to show everybody this. Some of them even have like these real little...
Kind of like a bogglehead. Yeah.
So that's cute. Adorable.
It's adorable.
And then you've also got some more, what I think are elegant looking, really beautiful baskets as well. Tell me about these.
Yes, these you can definitely call your Easter basket.
Right.
We have them planted in all different types of flowers. I love the ones with the fern and little begonias around them. Such a great gift that you can put on your center of your table during dinner, and then you can move it outside and it'll last for you all summer long again.
And that's one of the things I love about, pretty much I'm just taking a quick glance at all of these. I see that in every basket you guys have made. This isn't just a seasonal gift basket. This is a basket that's going to last all season long.
That's a good point. That's how we plant our baskets here. The gifty ones, the hanging baskets, are baskets that will last all summer.
Right.
So it's not just something that you have for a month or something here blooming. It's going to last for you throughout the whole till fall, like freezing.
Yeah. And then I've got to ask a question about these baskets. Do you also sell them just undone?
We have them empty also.
Wonderful.
So if you want to do your own creativity and put your own flower and touches in them, you can buy all the components here, the empty basket, all the flowers,
and then you guys are more than willing. Somebody's going to help you if you need some help.
Oh, for sure. And if you, we'll help you pick out things, but also if you pick them out, we'll go help you plant them up real quick while you're waiting.
And I have to say that I think this is the first time you're going to do this, but you're actually going to be open on Easter tomorrow, aren't you?
We will be open tomorrow. We're going to be doing our holiday hours from 11 to 3 on Easter. It's going to be such a beautiful day. We'll be here to help.
And too, you know, because you're going to be open, I know that there's times when I get so busy, I forget. And it's not that I don't want to forget to give somebody that I'm visiting a gift. I want to always, but I forget. And so it's great that you will be open on Easter Sunday for those of us who forget.
For those of you who are last minute, we'll be open on Easter, and we have gifts from very little up to larger amounts. So there's something for everybody that you can give for a gift.
Well, there you have it. So for more information, as always, we will invite you to go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, get all that information, come out and celebrate Easter with a beautiful basket or a wonderful flower. Thank you so much.
Thank you.